Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's GraceConfirmed here, and today I woke up with 1,000 subscribers, and that is just amazing. It is literally 8 o'clock right now, and I'm putting together a bloopers video for you, and it will be sent out the day of 1,000 subscribers. I've been preparing this for months and saving bloopers for this moment. So some things that you might know and not understand if you're newer to my channel is that my old channel's name used to be It's Cold Outside AJ, and then I changed it to GraceConfirmed back in June. And I've gone through 2 accounts since I got in this channel. My first account was Holly2112, and my second account was GConfirmed. So those are just some of the ways that you can tell how old these video clips are. So that's it, and I'm not going to hold this video back anymore. And thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, and I will continue to make awesome videos for you.
It's Cold Outside AJ here, and today I am with another video. So, oh my god, the dog just died. Welcome back to another video. It's Cold Outside AJ here, and today, feeling the intro got cut off. So now, close the door. And ready to face you. You call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they hurt. Epic dance. Usually I would do epic dance. I'm recording. I mean, no disrespect. I'm re-recording. Oh my god. Can you try to sit down, please? Yes. Okay, ready? Big deep breath.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, guy. Hi, guy. Kisses.
Shorty.
Oh, lips.
Down.
Keep them.
Down. Good boy, lay down.
What? Ew!
What?
I don't like you. What?
Sit.
What?
Sit.
What?
Boy, pull over.
She up.
I don't know. Are you getting feisty?
Kisses.
Are you getting energetic? Running around.
What are those?
I don't know.
On my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Yeah, I know in the hurting.
Is that salad dressing?
Yeah, you had that on your chin for like the past hour.
Yeah, salad dressing.
Is this salad dressing?
Can you be quiet? I'm recording!
Who are you talking to?
It can only mean one thing. Yeah, I know in the hurting. It can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you.
I'm going to be playing Swoopy Eagle first. I almost said Swoopy Bird. Okay. Anyways, so my mom played this in my Mom Reacts to Animal Jam video. So we're gonna see how well I can do and if I'm better than her, so. Oh. You know, as soon as I start a video, I get text messages, so that's fun.